For sure.
It is finally arriving. The weather is certainly going to reflect the fact that we are going to enter into the winter solstice into next week, and a very fitting forecast coming up for our first full day of winter on Thursday. We've seen light snow showers falling across central Indiana all day long. Some of you just seeing some of those flurries. You might notice on your screen too, you're seeing that winter weather advisory. Just a few counties here as you head into Ohio where light snow is still going to be falling into the overnight hours till about 3 a.m. That advisory goes out. So what we're warning for is just slippery road conditions, especially for east central Indiana. And again, that just goes until 3 a.m. but most of us are going to start to see these light flurries starting to dry out. Behind this, we're seeing a much drier air mass, and we'll even get a little bit of sunshine and clearing heading into our Sunday afternoon. So just a few more hours of these flurries to go. This is what the overall air pattern looks like. We're seeing 1 degree current temperatures in Sioux Falls right now, so we're going to inherit some of that much colder air right here at home, and it's very breezy right now. It's making it feel much cooler. We've had wind gusts up to 37 miles per hour in Indianapolis, so it has been a very gusty day. And look what it's doing to our wind chills. We are down to 9 degrees. We're in the single digits in Kokomo, and just buckle up and get ready for it because it gets even colder as we head into next week. It feels like 11 right now. In Indianapolis, we got sustained winds still around 15 miles per hour. So the light pockets of snow showers we're seeing right now, and even some of those flurries still going for the next couple of hours here. That's a shot at 2:30 a.m. this morning when any kind of advisory is set to expire. And then we do dry out and clear up. We'll see some sunshine into our Sunday afternoon. The next big thing we are looking at in the weather department is this low pressure system that is set to move through. It could take a couple of different paths here, but if it looks like it's going to stay on track to pass right over Indiana, this is going to be for Thursday, big travel day right before the holidays, and it looks like we could get hit with a good amount of rain to snow showers as we go into Wednesday evening, and then into our Thursday, that rain to snow mix, and we could get hit with a pretty good amount of snow as we head into Friday. So that's going to be the Thursday through Friday with that low pressure system moving through, bringing us a pretty good amount of snow. It's still too early to talk about totals right now, but that is something we're going to be certainly forecasting over the next couple of days here as that system approaches. We're also looking at a huge change in our temperatures here. We're going to pull in an Arctic blast of air. We're just going to be bringing our temperatures down quite a bit to the single digits we go potentially for next weekend. And that has a lot of staying power too, that overall colder pattern we're going to be into. So we still have temperatures. I mean, this is the mildest we have in our 7-day forecast into the mid to upper 30s as we head into the middle of next week. We will enjoy a brief dry break here, but just in time again for the holidays and Christmas traveling on Wednesday night into Thursday. We are expecting that rain to snow at periods throughout the day on Thursday, and then continuing on into our Friday, where finally temperatures could drop into the single digits by Saturday.
Thanks, Alyssa. Coming up in sports, the